All right, so I just got done doing a live stream with Sneaker History, Nick Ingol over there, and I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing of this thing because I just got this in the mail. No idea what this is. Let's go ahead and jump in. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys haven't used my website yet, go check it out in the description. Basically, I just post a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys on the web. Today, I have this pair of maybe something. Actually, I don't even know if it's a pair of anything. I don't know what this is. The name of the company isn't a brand that I recognize or anything, but it does say heskicks on the box. So I'm like, I don't know what this is. And it was overnighted, which is always fun to see because you never know what people are sending out and why. But let's go ahead and see what we have. First of all, this pink tape is dope. Like, I've never seen that before, but it looks cool. And I can't read it either, but it looks like, I'm not going to butcher the language. Chinese, Japanese? Holy, what in the world? Hey! We got something crazy here. Yo, look at this. This is a little art piece right here that was done by Corey Wash in 2021 with my name, James. And we friends. PHARRELL. We have a PHARRELL thing. It says, about the artist. Corey Wash, New York, Los Angeles, works across a diverse range of media as she explores the ideas evolving around environment, culture, and identity today. Her work has been featured in Vogue, White Wall, Glass, Nylon, Office, Document, and so on. For this curated launch of the iconic Pharrell Williams hue in pink, Corey created 50 unique artworks inspired by the shoes and celebrate uplifting stories of play, inclusion, identity, and belonging. And look at that, we friends. Shout out to Corey Wash for that. That's super, super dope. But what am I going to do with all this pink popcorn in here? If you guys can't see all that. Dudes, Maddie, my girl, is going to love this because her favorite colors are red and pink. Go figure. How in the world? Oh, man. I'm going to make such a mess in my room. I just cleaned up the floor, too. But here's a package here. Toledoville. This is a lot of pink poppies here. All right, I'm going to move this over here. These are the coolest pink little poppy things, too. They're all little hearts. Okay, so here we have the box. No label on the box. And let's see here. What? This is crazy. This is such a rad presentation, first of all. It comes with more of the pink hearts in the box. And in the shoes and all over the place over here. So it says true pink and clear pink and core black on the Looksy sample tags. Love it when they do the sample tags. This is the first I've actually had them wrapped up like that. That is something. I'm going to take that off so I can look at them. There's the extra laces right here. And here are the shoes. Yo, these are crazy. These are super bubblegum pink. And then you also have the outsoles that are pink, and the laces, which are like a light pink, which must be the other alternate color maybe, and then black liner, and then pink insole as well. But I'm assuming this says human race on the shoes, as that's what most of them end up saying, but I do not know, unfortunately, the language. And just because I had them sitting on the floor behind me, this is my daughter's favorite shoes in the sneaker room. If you ask my daughter what her favorite shoes are, she'll tell you that it is this pair right here. So check that out. Now you have like a really, really vibrant highlighter pink, and then like a kind of a rose pink or a really light pink. It's almost like a cherry blossom pink. Really, really dope colorway on this one here. Man, this was a really crazy, cool surprise, and one that it's fun because like this sparks some joy in myself, just getting a pair of these from PHARRELL and Adidas. Shout out to Mimi and everybody else over there that are part of the packaging process and just the seeding process. You guys are awesome for even having me in the mix here. But it's fun to be able to have that joy sparked in myself, but then to know I can look at this and go, my daughter's going to freak out when she sees these. The upper material is similar to the Vietnamese pair that you saw here. And so like the texture is kind of the same for the prime knit. Then you have also somewhat similar with the cage back here. You can see where the laces come through. It's not a clear pink. It's actually like a solid pink color through for the laces, and then also for these little rubberized sections on the midsole. You also do have a pink midsole made of Adidas Boost. It's kind of like a dull gloss or like a matte almost pink. And then there's also the pink outsole here. I do like that there is a black piping around the collar though. Adds a little color pop to the shoe, which is definitely nice. And then you do have that alternate pink colored laces that actually go a little bit more in unison with the entire theme of the pink shoe. But I like that these ones are the ones on the shoe as well, because they do offer a little bit of extra range of the pink colors on the shoe. Also, but these are crazy, man. Really cool colorway and awesome little extra that they threw in from Corey on the artwork and stuff on these. So man, yo, this is nuts. We're friends, everybody, and I'm super happy about it. I don't have any release information on these yet, but I'm imagining since they sent them to me overnight, they're going to be releasing in the next week or so. So I will post them probably on the website. So I believe these are going to be dropping on Adidas Confirmed. If you guys haven't used that app yet, you guys should re-download it if you don't have it, because they have a regular Adidas app and then the Confirmed app. And then also the Billionaire Boys Club. They do have a site that also sells the PHARRELL human race joints. And speaking of pink, I got this one right here with a little hit of pink on the back right there. This one's actually really similar in color to the pink of the back tab, except for you see the letters are filled in black, versus this one is just all pink. Did you see the robot that was carrying these that dropped them off over at PHARRELL's house? That was pretty rad. These ones are nuts too, man. Because of PHARRELL and all the love that they've shown in the last year, I have a row over here of human races that I've been able to create because of the range of colors that they have in the collection. So another one for the collection. I appreciate y'all for sending this over. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys liked the content, go ahead and hit the like button. It lets PHARRELL and Adidas know that you guys appreciated the content as well, which is super awesome for me, because then I get really fun little things like this sent over. But have a good rest of the day. Thank you guys again for being here, and we'll see you guys back hopefully for some more videos. Peace, guys.